Ebikumi n'ebikumi by'abakungubazi babukeereza nkokola ku kasozi Nyamitanga okuziika eyali Ssaabasumba w'essaza lya Nyamitanga Paul Bakyenga. Musabira omubiri kukulembeddwamu Ssaabasumba w'essaza lya Mbarara Lambert balina omugisha.
He has preserved the faith of the church, the teaching of the church. He has promoted it. He has not monopolized the good news, but he has reached out and spread the good news of the kingdom to the rich and the poor alike, fulfilling Christ's mandate to us as his followers.
Mubalala abamwogeddeko kubaddeko Ssaabalamuzi eyawumula Baatika Tulebe n'omulabirizi wa Nkole Dr. Sheldon Mwesigwa.
The booklet here, I think, best summarizes who he was in terms of his love for humor and sarcasm.
Mubaka wa Presidenti obumusomeddwa omumyuka we Jessica Alupa mutendereza olw'okubeera omuntu omwesigwa era ayamba ategeezezza nga bwamusubiddwa ebyensuso.
The Archbishop today we are laying to rest today was a friend to all. Your Grace, he happened to have so many interactions with me as a person, and I found him very, very humble.
Oluvannyuma Ssaabasumba aziikiddwa mu lutikko y'e Nyamitanga ng'afiiridde ku myaka 79.
Netushaba Mukama wiitu Yesu Kristo owagizira nti ninye kuzooka ninye magara.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.